How to add highlights on Instagram without posting the story. First, open Instagram. Go to your profile page. Then tap on the three-line icon menu. Scroll down. Tap on Hide Story and Live. Tap on Hide Story and Live From. Select all followers. This way, your story will be hidden from your followers. Tap on Done. Now go back to the Instagram homepage and add a story as usual. Tap on the arrow icon. Tap on Share. Tap on Add to Highlights. Tap on Add. Tap on Done. With this method, you can add highlights without having to post the story, because the story has already been hidden from your followers. After adding the highlight, don't forget to revert the settings so that all future stories will be visible to your followers. It's just that simple to add a highlight on Instagram without posting the story.